Ever wondered why birds carry fresh green leaves? Here, a common myna clutches a small bundle in its beak, not just a random pick, but a purposeful act. It's nesting season, and every trip matters. These fresh leaves are hand-picked to line the nest, tucked into a hidden crevice or rooftop vent. The leaves serve more than comfort. They help insulate the nest and release natural compounds that keep parasites and microbes at bay. A clever move in urban survival, instinctive, precise, and all for the safety of the next generation.